guess we can start the session now.
Yeah. Good evening, all. This is Parthavi Desai, and myself academic counselor at Parul University, which is situated at Vadodara, Gujarat. Thank you all for being present in today's webinar. Before we start, let me introduce Parul University is a multidisciplinary hub of 30 plus institute which is offering more than 250 courses, which also involves diploma, graduation, post-graduation and certificate courses. Along with, we don't only have the modern infrastructure in our university, but we do have a dedicated laboratories for teaching and research purpose. In addition, we are also equipped with excellent facilities for student activity centers, a provision of hostel which can accommodate more than 10,000 students, where we have our dedicated mess which serves hygienic food to each and everyone. Our mess doesn't only offer the normal routine food, but our mess also offers the multi-cuisine foods like Gujarati, South Indian, and North Indian foods. There are about 28,000 plus students who are pursuing their studies in our different institutes, which itself reflects a popularity of our university among the students community. And to fulfill this vision for a better future, we usually provides a more competent and social responsible individuals. We at Parul University not only educate the student in a great manner, but also encourage them to think out of the box and achieve their future goals. We are the best university in placement award. We become a world-class university too, because we are associated with more than 1,000 companies who are every year coming up with for the placements. Over 15,000 plus students are till now placed. Indeed is a crucial phase where we all are on a verge to select a career that will follow till you work. And let's see how one should select a career. I'm having a one small presentation for all of you so that you would be able to understand that how one should select a career. Let's see a small PPT from my end, which I would like all you to see. Ideally, career depends on four important factors. One is an economical, second is psychological, third is physiological, and fourth is a social. So let's understand how the economical factor affects. To start with, when we talk about economical aspect, one has to keep in a mind about her economical condition or her financial condition and or a situation while selecting a career. How much will you earn and what opportunities, how much will you earn is more important. What all opportunities is in front of you while pursuing a specific career, right? So that also depends that how you earn is more important. Second is a psychological. We all are born with a different psyche. Our personalities are different. Our interests are definitely different. Also matter is how stable you are. We all are born with a different set of psyche, and that is the reason we cannot blindly choose this our career, or maybe we cannot blindly choose the course, and that is the reason psychological factor affects a lot. Second is a physiological. Your your physical competency matters a lot. Your work determines to your social status as well. What you work is what society knows your name and recognized by your work. So what do you mean and what only not only matters that what you work, only matters to your family as well. So today we are having Dr. Shantanu, who will definitely let you know that how we can move further for your business administration. But let's see, before I hand it over this mic to him, I would like to say that let's decide how you can choose your career at this pandemic. So I would say Corona doesn't stay forever, but education does, right? And why shouldn't you be scared to migrate while you search for the best universities? So what I'll do is let me hand over and let me hand over this presentation further to Dharmesh sir, who will take it to move forward. Dharmesh sir, can you please?
Yes, sure. Okay, guys. So I saw some questions in the chat that you want to give away this presentation in Hindi or English, Hindi or Gujarati. So I would love to do that. Hindi is also fine with me, and Gujarati is also fine. But then majority of the people who are here are from across the India. So मैं हिंदी में कंटिन्यू करूंगा. अब जैसे आप देख सकते हैं कि हमने पहले इससे पहले हमने प्रेजेंटेशन में बताया कि कौन से एस्पेक्ट्स हमें ध्यान में लेने चाहिए जब हम कोई यूनिवर्सिटी कोई हम कोर्स सिलेक्ट करते हैं. यूनिवर्सिटीज़ क्या सारी चीज़ें हमें दे रही है, क्या उनके कमर्शियल्स हैं, वो सब हमें पहले जांच करने चाहिए एंड देन वी टेक अ कॉल. अब जो ये सिचुएशन अभी चल रहा है कोविड 19 का, दैट इज़ वेरी क्रूशियल एंड क्रिटिकल राइट नाउ. इस दौरान जो भी आप डिसीजन लेंगे दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अब अगर आप यूनिवर्सिटी ऐसा सिलेक्ट करते हैं जिसमें जो आपके नज़दीकी एरिया में जो आपके नज़दीकी एरिया में है, तो आप ऐसा सोचेंगे अभी कि हम घर रह के पढ़ाई करेंगे तो वी विल बी सेफ. तो इन सर्कमस्टेंसेस को हम थोड़ा इन क्वेश्चंस को हम थोड़ा ब्रॉडली ये करेंगे, डिस्कस करेंगे. जैसा आप देख सकते हैं हमारा फर्स्ट क्लॉज, द नंबर ऑफ केसेस आर इन द एज ब्रैकेट ऑफ 17 to 25, दैट इज वेरी लो. तो ये कहना चाहते हैं कि ये जो ब्रैकेट है, ये एज में आप आपका बैचलर्स और मास्टर्स डिग्री परस्यू करेंगे, राइट. सो आपको अभी ये सब सोचने का जरूरत नहीं है कि हम कोविड 19 की वजह से हमें बीमारी हो सकती है या नहीं, ये सब, बिकॉज दिस इज अ करंट रेगुलर. ये आज का सच यही है कि कोविड 19 स्प्रेड हो रहा है, बट जो करियर आप सिलेक्ट करेंगे वो आज के लिए नहीं है, वो आपके साथ 45 ईयर्स तक आपके साथ ही रहेगा, राइट. सो द करियर दैट यू सिलेक्ट दैट रिमेन्स फॉर 45 और मोर ईयर्स विथ यू. तो ये आप ध्यान में रख के लीजिए करियर में जो भी पढ़ रहे हैं वो कौन से एस्पेक्ट्स पे आप देख रहे हैं. जैसे अब पढ़ाई कैसे हो रही है वो आप वहाँ पे जाके देखिए, वहाँ से लैब वगैरह क्या फैसिलिटीज़ है वो देखिए. यस, प्लेसमेंट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. मैं यहाँ पे 5 साल से करियर काउंसलिंग का एक डिपार्टमेंट है वो हम देख रहे हैं, एंड उसमें मैं ये देखता हूँ कि स्टूडेंट्स जब भी आते हैं हमारे पास, दे हैव दिस क्वेश्चन कि सर अब ये पढ़ाई तो हो गया है, उसके बाद प्लेसमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ क्या है. तो हमने जैसे पहले ही आपको बताया कि वी हैव 1000 प्लस कंपनीज विजिटिंग आवर यूनिवर्सिटी एवरी ईयर. हर साल हमारे यहाँ प्लेसमेंट के लिए आते हैं, एंड ऑल्सो उस 15,000 से ज़्यादा बच्चे अब तक हमारे यहाँ से प्लेस हो चुके हैं. सो यस, करंट सिचुएशन को देख के यही है कि क्या आप कंसिडरेशन में लेते हैं. जो 17 टू 25 ईयर्स की एज है उसमें आपको कोविड 19 को लेके इतना कुछ सोचने का ज़रूरत नहीं. ये WHO ये सब मेडिकल काउंसिल ये सब के जो न्यूज़ है उसी से हम लोगों ने पढ़ के ये एक छोटा सा प्रेजेंटेशन बनाया है. कैन वी मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. ओके, सो मैंने पहले ही बताया आपको, जैसे यूनिवर्सिटी आप जो भी सिलेक्ट करते हैं कौन से पैरामीटर्स पे आप लीजिए. जैसे एफर्ट्स कितने यूनिवर्सिटी एक प्लेसमेंट में डाल रहा है. अब आपने कोई लोकल यूनिवर्सिटी सिलेक्ट कर लिया जो आपके नियर बाय में है, अगर उसका आगे 3 साल, ये अब जो करंट सिनेरियो है इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू लास्ट फॉर लाइफ. ये 1 साल या 2 साल, मैक्सिमम 2 साल इसमें खत्म हो जाएगा. जैसा बोल रहे कि वैक्सीन आर ऑलरेडी, पीपल हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड, साइंटिस्ट आर ऑलरेडी वर्किंग ऑन प्रिपेयरिंग वैक्सीन. तो ये एक सून थोड़े टाइम स्पैन में ये वैक्सीन वगैरह क्रिएट होगा, देन इट वुड बी इजी टू एनकाउंटर दिस फेज. तो यही है हमारा कहना कि आप ये सारे पैरामीटर्स को ही अभी ध्यान में लीजिए. कोविड-19 को हम लोग भी ये चाहते हैं कि बच्चों की सेफ्टी हमारे लिए भी फर्स्ट रहे, और उसी के लिए हमारा एक तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 150 प्लस एकर्स का कैंपस है जिसमें हम पढ़ाई करवाते हैं। तो अगर आप सोचें कि सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग रख के पढ़ना है, तो हमारे पास इतने क्लासेस हैं कि हम हर एक क्लास में सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन करके बच्चों को बिठाएं और पढ़ाएं, इन केस सब कुछ ओपन होता है तो। अगर ये लॉकडाउन कंटिन्यू रहता है तो वी हैव एडॉप्टेड डिजिटल लर्निंग सोर्स, वो भी मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगा कौन से डिजिटल ऑप्शंस हम पढ़ा रहे हैं, और मैं एक स्लाइड बताऊंगा जिसमें हम लोग कैसे फैकल्टीज और स्टूडेंट्स कैसे इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, दैट आल्सो इज देयर इन अ फोटोग्राफ। कैन वी मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट प्लीज? नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। So yes, apart from this, हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी वाई पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी, सो पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी प्रोवाइड दिस ऑल एड्स। अब जैसे आपके वहाँ पे यूनिवर्सिटी में स्कॉलरशिप, आपका जो भी स्टेट से बिलोंग करते हैं, तो वहाँ पे जो भी स्कॉलरशिप्स वगैरह ऑफर किए जाते हैं, यू कैन टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ देम, और उसके लिए हम यूनिवर्सिटी पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी से जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट डॉक्यूमेंटेशन वगैरह रहेगा, दैट वी विल सपोर्ट। इन एडिशन, पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी आपको आपका जो भी 12th का मेरिट होता है उस पे एग्रीगेट पे 40% तक का स्कॉलरशिप ऑफर करते हैं, ठीक है। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, जो आप बैंक एजुकेशन लोन वगैरह का प्रोसेस करवाना चाहते हैं, तो दैट इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल एट द यूनिवर्सिटी, आप उसके लिए आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। देन अनदर ऑप्शन, जैसा स्कॉलरशिप्स, ऐसा नहीं है कि हम सिर्फ मेरिटोरियस स्टूडेंट्स को ही स्कॉलरशिप्स ऑफर कर रहे हैं। स्पेशल स्कॉलरशिप्स आर ऑफर्ड टू डिफेंस, जो डिफेंस से बिलोंग करते हैं उनके स्टूडेंट्स के लिए हैं। स्पोर्ट्स कोटा के लिए हमारे पास स्कॉलरशिप्स है, और कल्चरल कोटा के लिए भी हमारे पास सीट्स है, स्कॉलरशिप्स है। फिर प्रोक्योरिंग टैबलेट फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट ऑफ गुजरात, तो अब ये जो डिजिटल लर्निंग है इसके लिए पहले से ही गुजरात गवर्नमेंट ने तो टैबलेट्स वगैरह स्टार्ट कर दिया था देना, तो वही उसका जो प्रोसेस होता है वो कैसे स्मूथ रहे, वी ऑल मेक स्टूडेंट्स अंडरस्टैंड, और वही हम उनको मदद करते हैं। एंड वंस द यूनिवर्सिटी रिसीव्स द टैबलेट्स फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट, हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज। ग्रेट। सो डिजिटल लर्निंग अभी यही है जो करंट से अपकमिंग हॉरिजॉन, जो अभी हम नियर फ्यूचर की बात करते हैं, नॉट ब्रॉड फ्यूचर, हम नियर फ्यूचर की बात करते हैं, टिल द टाइम लॉकडाउन इज देयर। सो दिस आर द ऑप्शंस दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी अडॉप्टेड: गूगल क्लासरूम, जूम क्लास कॉन्फ्रेंसेस, गूगल हैंगआउट्स, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम्स, ब्लैक बोर्ड, कोलैबोरेट, जिटसी एंड फ्लिंट, ये सारी एप्स हैं जो हम यूज करके डिजिटल लर्निंग प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं अभी स्टूडेंट्स को। अब जब पढ़ाई करवा रहे हैं तो यस इंडीड, आपको पढ़ाई करवाने के साथ उसका टेस्ट और एग्जाम्स भी लेने पड़ते हैं। तो आप नीचे देख सकते हैं कि हम वी आर ऑलरेडी इन टच विथ वर्ल्ड असेसमेंट काउंसिल, दे आर विथ अस इन टेकिंग क्विज एंड डूइंग इवेल्युएशन ऑफ ऑल द असेसमेंट्स दैट वुड बी कैरिड आउट। और ये जो असेसमेंट होंगे वो जो प्लेटफॉर्म पे होंगे, दोज प्लेटफॉर्म्स आर एडवांस प्रॉक्टोरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म एंड ऑल्सो एंटी चीटिंग एनेबल्ड एआई, ठीक है। सो अगेन दैट इज देयर। प्लस अब जब हम पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं तो यस, ये चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहता है इसमें कि आप वेबिनार के जो हम लोग जो फैकल्टीज, जो आप स्पेशलाइजेशन पढ़ रहे हैं, तो उसमें आपको जो नोन पीपल है, जो नोन डिग्निटीज आर देयर इन देयर आउटसाइड द इनसाइड द वर्ल्ड, तो हम उनको भी एक वेबिनार के थ्रू आपके कांटेक्ट में लाते हैं। दे विल शेयर देयर एक्सपीरियंस व्हाट दे डिड डिफरेंटली एंड दैट दे केम इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस एज अ डिफरेंट आइडेंटिटी। तो ये सारी चीजें हम लोग हमारे यूनिवर्सिटी में एडवांस ये करवाते हैं। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज। यस, मैंने पहले बताया था कि हम लोग एक प्रेजेंटेशन में देखें, एक फोटो देखेंगे जिसमें डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म का जो भी होगा, जो सोर्स है हमारा इम्पार्टिंग नॉलेज का, वो दिखाएंगे। सो दिस इज इट। आप देख सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर, फैकल्टी मेंबर्स आर देयर, दे आर कम्युनिकेटिंग विद ईच अदर थ्रू लैपटॉप्स। ये एक देख सकते हैं, एक छोटा सा स्लाइड हमने प्रिपेयर किया। नेक्स्ट प्लीज। Great. So this is all I would like to say about the university. Now these are the ये हमारा एड्रेस है पारुल यूनिवर्सिटी। It's situated in district of Vadodara, Gujarat. If you have any queries, you can drop an email on admissions@parul university, or apply करने के लिए puadmission.in. This is the number. This is the link that you can opt for. In case if you have any doubts, 1800 123 1104. This is our toll free number जो आप कभी भी डायल कर सकते हैं। Now I would request डॉक्टर शांतनु चक्रवर्ती सर, जो बीबीए के हमारे यूनिवर्सिटी के डीन सर है, he would help you to take some insights of the BBA course that we offer at university.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Dharmesh and Madam
Screen
Parpi
sharing.
Desai.
Thank
We'll
you.
exit the screen sharing.
Uh, at the outset, I would like to tell you one thing, because one question I have received through chat box, the language. Please allow me to talk in English. Gradually, I will pick up Hindi also. So I'll make it English, Hindi and English. You'll be able to understand already some of the questions we have received. But before I proceed further, I would like to tell you one thing. Let me share with you a little bit about my background so that you can develop the conviction. I'm Dr. Santanu, and this is Dr. at Santanu, academician. I have worked in industry for 18 years. And after that, I have joined in academia. So almost my total experience is 28 years. Why I am sharing this particular experience with you, the reason being, you can understand at this present situation, which is very challenging situation, you are taking a decision, or we are taking a decision. One group of students who are entering to the university level of education, another group of student who will be going out of the university level of situation. Now, what are the challenges available with us? And at this juncture, I'll be talking about management education, that to focused with Bachelor of Business Administration. When I talk about Bachelor of Business Administration, I would like to tell you one thing, that is, till the world will survive, the management education will remain in the front line. Till the world will survive, the management education will remain in the front line. The reason being, mismanagement you cannot avoid. Is my slide visible to you? Hello?
Yes, sir. Visible. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Visible.
Thank you very much. So I repeat the line, till the world will survive, this management education will survive. Now the point is, I would like to tell you all the aspirants who are trying to adopt BBA as a curriculum, ask yourself one thing: why post-graduation management education is so popular? Usually we'll find that after graduation, people are trying to go for management education, various discipline post-graduation, whether they are engineers, whether they are doctors, whether they are medical student, they are paramedical student, they are trying to learn management as an education. Reason is only one, because through management education, you know how to govern the world. That is known as good governance or effective governance. So if you are opting for Bachelor of Business Administration, I am sure about that. Anywhere you go to the globe, you will find that people know what is Bachelor of Business Administration, because you will be becoming the one of the best administrator after joining Bachelor of Business Administration. So we have kept our title today as why to choose BBA as career. Let me tell you very nicely, in our BBA, this year, 2020, we are entering to the 10th batch. That is, one decade will be completing. So in every batch, we have seen people have developed themselves in a different way. I'll share with you some of the success stories also, our alumni or our students, what they're doing and how we are transforming them. They are successful today or they will be successful tomorrow also. There is a reason. The reason meaning how we are following the process. That process we would like to share with you with this title, why to choose BBA as career. Our flow of presentation will go very simple about the course BBA. I'll give you the outline. Infrastructure, already our two presenter has given you, but I'll give you something else also. Specialization offered, which is very important. Many a time people ask, sir, what specializations are you offering? I would like to tell you at this particular juncture, specialization is going to play another role, because we cannot predict the world so naturally. And further, after specialization, when you look at research activities, why research activities are required, that also we are going to talk about. Total strength, someone asked already in the question, our batch size is, each batch, each section is 60 students, and we have 6 sections, so 360 sections. And we have 20 plus faculties. So you can say our one-on-one interaction with the student and faculties are very fantastic. Then prominent alumni also, that is those students who took BBA from Parul University, then now where they are placed, what they are doing. Co-curricular activities, I would like to focus further, because many times student ask, because we have national players, we have very standard players who are representing in prestigious platform. And I'll introduce our faculties also, what their backgrounds are. Then student exchange program, another important point I would like to talk about. Because in today's scenario, after this pandemic, what will happen, the entire global structure will change. But you'll be surprised to know that still some of the students studying in overseas universities, they are there, they are continuing their studies, and we take care of them, and we always ask them, how are you? And they always saying that, sir, we are continuing nicely, learning so many things. Next comes to industrial trips. We'll show you our industrial trips are a little bit different. We make it more interesting. We make it like a study trip. Then expert talk, I can name. You can talk about movie world. You can talk about celebrity world. You can talk about experts from various academia. That also I am going to touch upon my presentation. And online teaching and online exam, already one of our presenters has touched. So I'll also share few points. Now let us go to the one by one title. History of BBA at Parul University. As already I have mentioned, we are entering to the 10th batch. BBA at Parul was established in the year 2010. Initial affiliation was with Gujarat University, and when we became university in the year 2015, we became independent. More or less same curriculum we are following. BBA is basically a 3-year course divided in 6 semesters. And every semester, on an average, you will be having roughly 8 subjects to study. Then comes BBA at Parul University. Why? Look at the point. Parul Institute of Business Administration has been ranked 3rd time, 3 consecutive years in a row among the top 50 BBA college across India. This is the ranking by Times of India. It's a very, very neutral sort of ranking. We got it. And every year we have improved our ranks. And ranks are based on various parameters, like how do we teach, how our students get placement, how they go for higher studies, to mention few. Now we have entered to the 10th glorious year of our establishment with a growing and sustainable journey. We are growing every year. I would like to tell you our student population. You name the place of India, you will find that students are with us from across the country, whether it is Kashmir to Kanyakumari or to Tejpur, that is Northeast, to Guwahati, to Bihar, to Jharkhand, to Kanyakumari, any damn place you name, and we have on an average each batch 25 to 30 overseas students. As a result, our population or the student population is heterogeneous, and we make them homogeneous in the learning process. Already more than 1,500 students graduated in these years. All the students are very successful leading in their professional life. I'll show you some of the examples also. We at Parul believe, particularly in BBA, we nurture the skill 360-degree way. Now this 360-degree way, how? I'll explain gradually in my next slides. We make them from manager to leaders. Look at the slide. This is the infrastructure. Students, we allow them to play, fully equipped classrooms. We have seminar halls with the capacity on an average seminar halls, 120 students can sit. We have one central auditorium. The picture is there where the capacity is, to be very precise, almost 430. We have dedicated computer lab. We have dedicated library, one of the best library you can see. we have auditorium, and moreover, we have swimming pool. Not only we have all these things, rather we encourage majority of the students to take part in all the events. I'll show you gradually how they participate. The most important thing is specialization. Across the globe, marketing, finance, human resource is very famous. We have international business and which is growing fantastically. Now, the international business will take a different kind of shape because of the COVID. So we'll have a different kind of mindset with the international business. Fantastic specialization we have, event management. If you want to become an event manager, event professional, we have event management. Now we have agribusiness also. In the specialization, I would like to tell you one particular point. Apart from our broader specialization, we believe in one particular point that is known as micro specialization. Now you can ask me, what is this micro specialization is? Students, to be very frank, you will not be surprised to see that tomorrow might be we'll have the doctors who are specialized separately. Right eye doctor will be a separate one, and the left eye doctor will be a separate one. So what we take care of, suppose you have passion in writing something, creative writings, we encourage you to do that as a micro specialization also, so that you can develop your skill set. And through assignments, we give you a separate kind of marking pattern through micro specialization. So specialization is not going to be a problem in the BBA curriculum at Parul University, because we always encourage students for 360-degree development. Next point is very important thing, research activities. This is one of our faculty who is very much research inclined. Now, why I am telling you what advantage we have so far research activities are concerned. Parul University, if you look at the entire campus, we have grown horizontally and vertically. We have almost 40 plus institutes. For example, you being BBA student, suppose you have some interest, some research interest towards developing a product in Ayurveda. We have Ayurveda colleges, 2-3 Ayurveda colleges. You can go there, you can talk to them and develop a product and take them to the market. Second example, if you want to develop a product of Ayurveda with the help of pharmacy, we have pharmacy colleges, 3-4 pharmacy colleges. So within the campus, you will be getting the research activity. And majority of our faculties, majority of the faculties now pursuing PhD. So they will be supporting you in your research activity. Now, research, why it is important at this juncture, I would like to mention over here. Because as management student, we have to predict the future. कल क्या होने वाला है, हमको ये decide करना पड़ेगा. And management student can take that particular advantage. Now coming to our successful students, look at the prominent alumni. Himisha Thakkar is one of the youngest municipal councillor of Gujarat. She is municipal councillor as well as vice chairman of PWD committee, Vadodara Municipal Corporation. Look at the Prashant Patil, 2010 batch, CRISIL Limited, business development officer. Well placed. I show you a few more. Look at the left side, Ketki Sitole. She was our BBA student. After that, she had inclination towards movie management. So she has shifted towards that, and now she is based at Mumbai as assistant director and highly successful. Look at Nisarg Nenuji. He is a highly successful fellow. So far HR is concerned, human resource. Just now he is attached with Intas Pharmaceutical, and he is now very mature HR fellow. I'd like to tell you something about Archit Singh, now studying in Symbiosis. He appeared in CAT and scored almost 95 percentile in the first attempt. I have gone through his entire scorecard. Only one particular subject he was lagging behind, otherwise his score would have been 98 or 99 percentile. So what I mean to say, the way we nurture, suppose you aspire to be a postgraduate in management, we are here to help you out on that. Now, the most important thing, the placements, we have some prominent companies where our students are working. It can be Aditya Birla, it can be Divya Bhaskar, it can be IFCO Tokyo, JK Lakshmi, IndusInd Bank, ICICI. Apart from this, we have Go Indigo also, where some of the girls got placement. These are just few examples I'm giving you. Now coming to the little bit extracurricular or co-curricular activities. As we believe in 360-degree development, so naturally we have one particular event which is known as BBA Pratibha Utsav, meaning Show Your Talent, which is organized by our students and they run it as a self-sustainable mode. I'll give you more example. We have campus level events like Explore. These are the student events where you can participate. Dhoom is the cultural festival, Projection, engineering festival. But if you look at it, our management student, BBA students always take maximum participation in these events. I'd like to give you one interesting example. There is one festival over here in the Baroda that is known as BBA Bazigar, and we have our own event that is known as BBA Bazaar. What we do, suppose you have innovative product, we give you a marketplace and you run the entire show for 7 days and earn profit. The profit will be yours. We look at the thing that so that you don't incur any sort of loss. Now the question is, why we encourage all these things? Because business management is a practical management so far business is concerned. So you can learn business while running a business for a shorter period of time. And any sort of participation, whether it is IIM or national level, we always encourage our students to join there. Now, next comes to Times of India public speaking. You'll be surprised and you'll be delighted to know that one of our students was Abhishek Jain, was the topper in the public speaking of Baroda, and he represented Baroda city in the final round of Ahmedabad round. So overall development also we take care during our day-to-day work. Apart from this, regular debate, quiz, extempo elocution is arranged, whether it is weekly basis, monthly basis, and we nurture your talent on that particular direction. Look at some of the pictures, you'll be happy to see. This is known as BBA Bazaar. How foreign students and one of the faculty, Amrita madam is there in the picture, how Amrita madam and all the faculties are encouraging. Here in the left side, you must be observing our trustee, managing trustee also encouraging, interacting with the student during the big BBA Bazaar. And topmost, that is the seminar taking place. Left side again, Times of India. Right side, industrial participation, social activities, pictures, some of the pictures we are keeping over here. Next, look at the right side. This is a management game people are playing. And left side, bottom, right also. Recently, Mumbai Dabbawala, we invited, rather students invited. So we were trying to welcome them in a different way. So many big people come, they share the stories with our students. In one of the event, our students representing Gujarat, so far culture is concerned, that picture we are trying to show you over here. Now, finally, coming to faculty background, I believe by this time you know who is Dr. Santanu Chakravarti. This is my once again introduction. And apart from principal BBA, I have special inclination towards entrepreneurship development cell you must be knowing the Startup India movement, where central government also supporting the student ideas. So we have got a very dedicated entrepreneurship development cell where we nurture your ideas and convert them to a business. Next, we have Dr. Hetal Madam, who is to be associated with one of the leading MBA college of the Baroda city. Now she is with us. She is a very good mentor. Her specialization, she is a doctorate, PhD. Her specialization is marketing. Now she is taking care of international business. We have Dr. Deepa Madam. Again, she is MBA human resource. So this way, if you look at just now, including me, we have 3 doctorate, and rest of the faculties, when you look at it, like Amrita Madam is having industry experience, more than 10 years total experience, area of specialization, consumer behavior. Her PhD research subject is very interesting. She is doing something related to color, how color can influence your purchasing behavior. Why some people are fascinated towards green color or blue color or red color, how it influences their purchasing behavior. Next to him, her, we have Mahendra sir, who is very strong so far. Number game is concerned in accounting and finance. All are pursuing PhD. So they will be submitting their thesis very soon. We have Rajeshri Madam. She is also pursuing PhD, NET qualified, and her major area is she is economist. Let me introduce one thing. We do take certain particular points like this. We discuss economics, little bit higher economics also. For example, in the present COVID scenario, what will be the economic structure post-COVID scenario? How the G20 countries will be taking some step to revive the economy, or what World Bank is doing. All these things we do discuss in our faculty meetings and share with our students also. Next, we have Charu Madam, who is a very, very seasoned faculty, almost having 10 years of experience. Again, HR specialization. Additionally, she is Women Development Cell Coordinator. We have many cells. One of them is Women Development Cell. Shweta Madam is the coordinator of Entrepreneurship Development Cell. If you have an idea, you can always talk to Shweta Madam. She will convert those ideas to business idea. Rahul sir, again, very good depth on research, particularly on finance and accounting, and all are pursuing PhD. Priyanka Madam, very good experience, more than 10 years experience in banking sector. She used to teach in MBA earlier days. Now she is a full-time faculty with us, and she is also pursuing PhD. Her topic is startup. Next, Nitin sir. Nitin sir, moreover, inclined towards technology, because we have subject like computer and all, where Nitin sir takes care of. As just now Dharmesh bhai was highlighting, tab, our maximum students have able who are eligible to take the tab, and they are using the tab. We allow them to use the tab, and Nitin sir is the faculty who is guiding them. Next to Nitin sir, we have Ketki Madam, again, huge experience in banking. Now she is taking care of a little bit of economics also, marketing, banking, and insurance. Nilay sir, MBA Human Resource, pursuing PhD. Rachna Madam, she has worked with advertisement companies, so good knowledge in marketing. Now she is taking care of the sales and distribution and marketing as subject. Bansi Madam, you will be delighted to know that Bansi Madam has published a book in Gujarati. So we have some of the faculties who are author too. Rather, Priyanka Madam also has published a book. Surpal sir was with industry. Earlier, he was working with Sher Khan before joining to BBA, our BBA. Dinesh sir, very brilliant professor with combination MBA Human Resource and Marketing dual specialization. And his special inclination is towards hotel management. So customer care and other things you can learn from Dinesh sir. Let me take few minutes for student exchange program. As you know, we have very dedicated sale. If you are interested to go for exchange program, overseas program, like Bern University of Applied Science, Switzerland, our students always go there as an exchange program and they get the credit here. Similarly, all the universities, what you are observing, whether it is Canada, whether it is Germany, all the universities, our students, they opt for going for exchange program, right from 1 month to 6 months. And that arrangement, we do it internally. And many a time you get scholarship also out of it. So this is the biggest advantage. Few pictures. Students visiting overseas universities. They're sending pictures. We publish it on the same day, most probably social media, because we are very strong on social media. So have a look at it. We are really digitally empowered university, whether it is social media or publishing or whatever it may be, digital connectivity. Now coming back to industrial visit, I would like to add one thing. Here we have given industrial visit and adventure trip. You enjoy the trip, write a report, what you learn out of it. For example, Coca-Cola, you go there, what are the process you learn? Apart from, what are the business things you have learned out of it? That's why we are encouraging too many industrial visits and adventure camps. For example, we had opportunity to send our students to Polo Forest, Manali Adventure, Simla Adventure camps, but we always prepare a very, very structured report so that we can understand out of these visits, what are the learnings we have. Faculties always go with them. During overseas visits also, faculties also go with them. Look at the pictures, the teamwork, whether it is adventure visit, whether it is industrial visit, whether it is sports, whatever it may be, 360-degree things you can observe out of it. These are the Polo Forest, Simla, and all those places. Coming back to expert talk, if you know, Falguni madam is seasoned professional, advertisement professional from MICA. She is one of the expert who interacts with the students. Few examples I am giving you over here. Mr. Bharat, Vice President, Materials Management, GSFC. He interacted with supply chain management, that is sales and distribution, part of sales and distribution. This is professors from overseas. Our students take part in the learning session and they interact with the experts, learn through interaction, and then they interact with the rest of the students. Here, selected students get the opportunity to interact. Mr. Vishwas Jambu, trainer and life coach, topic life choice or chance. Simol Mehta, risk manager, Unison Insurance Company. Few things we wanted to mention over here, how we invite the experts. Devang Patel, corporate trainer in food and business, growth coach, topic developing an entrepreneurial mindset. Mita Shah, owner of Retrofit, women's health and fitness. With this, I extend my heartiest thanks, and I have tried to my level best to share with you how 360-degree learning we encourage for our students. And success stories also I have tried to share with you, and activities also we have tried to share with you. So Dharmesh, if we can pick up the questions, one question already I have answered. Someone wanted to know what is the strength. That already I have answered.
Yes, sir. We can definitely start doing question answer
That
rounds.
will be better,
Yes.
please.
So I'll scroll bit up. Let's see if any questions are there. Guys, feel free to drop your questions in chat box. We would be happy to answer all the questions that you may have. 89672. I would request you to drop your name as well along with the question. Sir, our parents have watched this webinar, so please understand properly. Darshan Darji. Darshan, okay, I can see the question coming up. Sir, I want to know what is future scope of doing BBA. Santanu, sir, can you please
Yeah,
answer?
yeah. I received the question. This is a wonderful question. I appreciate. What is the future scope of BBA? Let me tell you very openly. BBA is the most popular course in the world. You go any damn country, whether it is Germany, UK, US, anywhere, even Saudi, anywhere, you will find that BBA course is the most popular course. All the people know that what is Bachelor of Business Administration. In Germany, they are combining Bachelor of Business Administration with engineering. I had the opportunity to interact with so most popular course BBA. So naturally, you have huge opportunity once you do the BBA. I can name some of the success stories of BBA also, because BBA in India started in the year 1982-83. It is not new, but it is very mature now. So you have huge scope. Whether you want to become IS officer also, then also you can opt for BBA, because gradually you can pick up your subject. And if you want to become CEO, then also you can choose BBA. I can name some of the CEOs who are BBA. I can name some of the IEM professors who are BBA. So BBA is having a huge scope so far future is concerned.
Thank you, sir. Now, another question I can see, what is the eligibility criteria for BBA? Deep,
Eligibility criteria just now for BBA, luckily, after recent changes, whether you are science graduate, arts, commerce, become you are commerce background, you can opt for BBA. Okay, because now there is no restriction. Fine.
correct, sir.
Second thing I would like to tell you, we have many students who are from science background. What we do some boot camp to make them understand what is accounting and finance. So naturally, within 2 to 3 months' time, they pick up accounting and finance very nicely. Because many students do ask this question, sir, my background is science. Do you think that I'll be suitable for BBA? Any background you have, you are welcome to BBA.
Thank you, sir. So a candidate just have to clear his 12th standards, that is 10 plus 2's examination, irrespective of trade, like maths group, B group, science, commerce, arts, either of one, and you stand eligible to take admission in BBA. Another
Yes.
question from Deep is difference between BBA and BCom, which is better?
Yeah. That's a very wonderful question, huh? Whoever raised it, it's a wonderful question. See, when you visit any bank, you find that two types of people are working over there. One is having cabin, they are officers, and other is having not cabin, but some of the counters. They are non-officers. Now, how do you difference between a professional and non-professional? If you do BBA, on the day one, you will be getting a job with the designation officer or executive. But non-BBAs don't get that particular designation. That is number one. Number two, when you climb to the corporate ladder, meaning आपका जब promotion हो रहा है, आपका BBA रहेगा, administrative power ज़्यादा रहेगा, आपका अंडरस्टैंडिंग ज्यादा रहेगा, करिकुलम इतना इंटरेस्टिंग है, इसलिए क्या होगा कि आपको प्रेफरेंस ज्यादा मिलेगा उस जगह पर एज प्रोफेशनल. सो बीबीए इज ए highly professional course. This is what the basic difference. And rest of the courses are specific to one. That is either accounting, but this is specialized in administration, that is management administration. You can differentiate yourself. I can give you a fantastic example. Graduation in management, I have seen many a time they are competing with the masters because their learning is so strong. Yes, sir.
Great, great. So I can see another question coming from Anyadeep, that is the 896762. Sir, can you please tell us what will be the interesting task that student can do so that they can enjoy BBA along with learning?
Yes, the most interesting task I can give you just now, if you want to join BBA, whether you take admission in Parul University or not, you take this task from me as faculty. Just prepare a report. What will be the post-COVID economy? What are the products will have high demand? New products will have high demand. I can give you some of the hint. You prepare a report, select 5 products which will have a high demand. Might be select 5 products which will have almost zero demand. So prepare a project report and come back to us. Might be possible Dharmesh Bhai will give you a special scholarship for that.
Sure, sure. We'll definitely definitely consider it, sir. Not an issue.
So
Okay.
all the assignments, the student deep you mentioned the name. All the assignments we make it very interesting and challenging.
Yeah. So such deep research is always welcome from everyone. I can see another question coming from Nitansu Chawda. Sir, what are your views regarding the importance of summer internship programs?
Yes, another good question. Not only summer internship program, every semester, every subject, I will encourage you to take internship program. For example, suppose you are learning organization behavior, I will encourage you to find out one organization where you go and find out the behavior of the people over there. Not only behavior of the people, rather find out the behavior of the machines. Because nowadays, many people or many organizations are using robots. So robots are also having a behavior. So I'll love to give you 8 assignments every semester. And I, being the principal, would like to give you the permission. Rather, I'll encourage you to be in the industry more number of days than in the classroom.
Okay, so that answers Nitansu's question. Thank you very much, sir. Now I can see another question coming from Tarun Kumar. My brother is confused between BBA and BCA. Can you please tell me which one should he prefer?
Both are different. Huh? Let me tell you one thing. Any computer can understand only 2 things, 0 and 1, not the third thing. If your brother is very interested about analytical power, mathematics, coding, all those things, you should go for computer science. But if you feel that no, many people I have seen, I'm telling it to you, they opt for computer by just liking a computer or a mobile. You can operate a mobile, you can operate a computer, but coding is something different. Programming is something different. Are you getting it? Developing a one app is totally different. So find it out first. Find it out first. Whether you are genuinely interested to do something on computer science, because computer science is changing. It is totally changing. Now it is coming artificial intelligence, virtual reality, deep learning, machine learning. Try to understand, I am not engineer. I am only principal, okay, BBA. But I know all these things little. So what I mean to say, without opting a typical computer-based subject, you can also learn computer engineering if you are really interested. This is what the advantage of BBA. Because in BBA, consecutive 2 semester, we do teach computer in depth. Except programming, we do teach everything.
Yes, correct. So BBA is towards business administration and computer application is purely towards programming and networking, I guess.
Yes.
Okay, so Tarun, that answers your question. I'd like to thank Dr. Shantanu sir to answer the question. Okay, guys, any more questions?
But I appreciate all the questions are very good questions.
Nitansu has asked another question. I need your guidance regarding the chances of employment in finance or HRM, that is, which has high employment chances.
both the verticals are having high employment chances. In finance also, because finance will recover, economy will recover. Okay, if you look at one particular thing, I would like to tell you, Paytm is what? It is a fintech, that is use of technology in finance. So finance will recover. So you have got huge chance in finance also. Human resource management, what will happen post COVID, particularly down the line 10 years, I'm telling you, minimum 10 to 12 years, you have to place really a right people at the right place. So human resource will have a great role to play. And even multitasking, for example, I am BBA principal, how many tasks I can perform apart from doing the principal job? On that basis, my market value will improve down the line 10 years or 15 years, 20 years, whatever it may be. So both the verticals you can opt. If you understand finance, if you understand economics little bit, go ahead. Because in human resource also, we have to understand little bit about economics. Because human resource is also investment. For example, we recruit one faculty, that is investment. We recruit one staff, that is investment. So you have to understand that also. So in totality, business will play a role. So both the things are having equal opportunity.
And they do interdepend also, if I'm not
Yeah,
wrong.
yeah, interdependent.
Yes.
I can give you a good example. 2010, when recession was there,
Mhm.
uh, even human resource fellows started going towards marketing. So my suggestion will be develop mindset of 360 degree, knowing everything little, whether it is HR, whether it is finance, whether it is marketing, whether it is IT, but develop one particular area where you are little bit specialized one. So this will be my suggestion.
Thank you, sir. Okay, so attendees, any more questions we are looking at? I hope we have answered almost all the questions that were there. Okay, another question from Anayadeep. Sir, will Parul University provide scholarship to students according to their talent? As we already discussed before, Anayadeep, we do have scholarships that are based on the like sports quota scholarships are there. If you have army background, we do have a scholarship for that as well. And yes, in case if you are meritorious student, again, if you score aggregate above certain percentage, we will definitely offer scholarship to that as well. And to more details, I already shared the toll free number.
I would like to Dharmesh bhai share something on scholarship part.
Sure, sure. Mhm.
Last year particularly, across the country along with Gujarat board, almost 15 to 20 students took admission in Parul BBA who are toppers.
Okay,
I have a list of that. And they all got scholarship from admission sale and the management.
correct,
I have minimum 15 to 20 toppers from Gujarat board as well as other boards also. They are toppers.
correct. So yes, scholarship are actually part of the education. We do offer scholarships. All you have to do is prove yourself while pursuing your education. I can see another question coming from Abhishek. How can a BBA qualification help me in global corporate environment?
Fine enough. Good question. Uh, BBA always will help you to develop your 360-degree personality. Okay. How this 360-degree personality? Versatile personality. You'll be open to the world. Okay. As I mentioned earlier, BBA is the most popular course in the world. If you go to Germany and say that I am BBA from India, they will know what is BBA. If you go to UK and say that I am BBA, they will say that, okay, we understand what is BBA. Let me see the subjects you studied over there. If you go to even Bangladesh, they will know what is BBA. So already you are opting for a globally accepted course. That is number one. Number two, if you look at the curriculum, each semester, 8 subjects, total 48 subjects, your transformation will be like a global citizen. Moreover, we encourage you to learn foreign languages also. And we have taken a decision now. We'll have some vocational courses also where we will be introducing more number of foreign languages. So you will be developing a robust personality so far global citizenship is concerned. I can name at least 20 students. They are in the global platform doing wonderful thing, and they are in touch with us. That is the best thing. All the 10 batches students, they are in touch with us.
Great, great. So, okay, so that answers the question of Abhishek. Now, okay, guys, questions, please, if they have any.
Otherwise, I can give them one suggestion because I am very much active in social media. So they can Google my name. They can connect me through Facebook. They can connect me through Instagram. They can connect me through Twitter. They can connect me through LinkedIn. Anywhere they want. I have 2 accounts in Facebook. Account number 1, account number 2, same name. The reason being, account number 1 is having 5,000 plus connections. So any damn question if you have, you please feel free to contact us through social media, apart from admission cell, wherever you feel.
Okay, there is a question. Sir, is doing BBA enough or we need to pursue MBA also?
Good question. I'll put you like this. If you look at the spelling, learning, it is Learning. If you remove L, earning will remain. But if you keep L, that is learning, your earning will also there, learning will also there. My suggestion always will be go for higher studies, because more you learn, more you brush up, your market value will go up. And what happens, knowledge is the asset, to be very frank. How much knowledgeable are you? How you are implementing those knowledge? So naturally, I'll not suggest you to stop after BBA. Rather, I'll suggest you always opt for higher studies. Yes, you can give a gap of 1 to 2 years for work experience, and after that you can opt for higher studies. And entire guidance you will be getting from our end only. Whether you are aspiring to be appear in CAT, that is Common Admission Test, or any other test, will be able to guide you. It's a very good question.
Great. So that answers the question. And education never actually completes. You have to keep yourself open to keep on learning one or the other thing. So after pursuing your bachelor degree, at one stage you can always think of going for masters, and after completion of masters you can go for doctorate, and after doctorate you can further also do research work and all those things. So education never gets complete. So you can definitely keep on upgrading your skills, and that would give you bright horizon in future. Another question, what is the admission process in Parul University?
That you can answer best, Dharmesh bhai.
Sure, sir. See, now as we are going right now due to Corona, everything is locked down and no one can commute from one place to other. We have moved our admission portal online, and we are accepting applications online. I'm sharing a link in chat box, guys, so you can apply through there. I'm also mentioning the toll-free number that we have. So in case if you have any questions or doubts while applying online, feel free to reach out to that number. It's right away in the chat box. So puadmission.in, it has a easy prompt that is offered. You will be also given a dedicated counselor who would help you out throughout the process and who would help you in completing your admission process. And in case if you have any questions or doubts, they will connect you to the experts for solving your queries.
Dharmesh bhai, one question has come through WhatsApp here and there. The
Yes, sir.
question is, question from Abhishek Mohile. How can a BBA qualification help me in global corporate environment? Partly I have given answer already, but I would like to repeat it. They want to become a global citizen, to be very frank. As I have highlighted, point number 1, BB is the most popular course globally. You go to Australia and say that you are pursuing BBA from India, they will know what is BBA. Okay, number 1. You don't have to give any explanation. what sort of course it is, etc., etc. Number one. Number two, BBA curriculum, if you look at it, I am giving you Parul University curriculum, 48 papers I can name. You will understand computer basic, you will understand machine basic, you will understand material basic things, advanced things also. You will understand a little bit about statistics also. You'll understand a little bit about the game theory also. You will understand a little bit about Indian economics as well as the global economics. So that way you are ready as for global corporate environment. Anywhere you go, they will appreciate, okay, you know this many things, so naturally you are well accepted. I have seen people are getting good admission in good colleges, overseas colleges, because of the curriculum. So Abhishek, all the best wishes. We will be able to guide you further for becoming a global corporate environment. And most important thing, we encourage this type of questions to all the students, at least for 3 years.
Great, great. So another question is there, sir, for you from Deep. Actually, this we both can answer. In is event management having a greater scope in future? That's what the question stands from Deep.
See, the event management scope and shape will change because present situation, this social distancing and other things. So now the event will take a different kind of shape. Scope will be there because see, marriages will take place, birthdays will take place. So no one can stop all these things, but might be possible it will happen in a different way. Might be possible business volume will also improve. For example, at your home, you are celebrating your birthday and cutting a cake. You are not inviting anyone, but you are sending those cake to different friends' place. For that, you need people to move, like Zomato and all those things. So what I mean to say, the entire chain might change. So scope will remain for event management. And event management is a very versatile subject. It is changing and it will keep on changing.
It is more about creativity also, that one can
Yes, yes.
bring it out from the mind. It's out of the box thinking that will make you different from others, and that's how
Yes,
you
yes, yes,
create your
yes.
own identity.
Even if you look at it, this webinar is also itself is an event.
Correct.
This webinar itself is an event we are organizing. So many challenges we have.
Correct. Now another question is from there. Redmi. Redmi is asking a question. Redmi, I would need your name to address, but then it's fine. Is there information technology in BBA PU?
Uh, Information technology we have. I'd like to give you some information. We call it technology management, and I'll suggest you not to take information technology management anywhere, not even PU, because there is a mismatch of technology and management in that particular curriculum. Some of the colleges are offering 4.5 years course, and they are saying that we are offering specialization in IT and technology management. It is not correct. It is not correct. So I'll suggest you, if you are really interested about technology management, so go for a technology separate. Otherwise, our curriculum is giving you technology management inbuilt. So BBA in technology, if anyone is offering, I'll suggest you, before accepting that, please evaluate. Please evaluate properly. Because maybe possible your ambition is to go abroad, might be US. And when you apply for US, they might raise one particular point, this is not matching. What I mean to say, any course you opt for, think about the future, higher studies and matching, all those things. Yes, sir.
Okay, that answers the question actually. Okay, now Anaya, this session would be available on YouTube. So the task sir appointed you that you take 5 things that will change after the lockdown gets over. That was the task uh, sir allotted you, which you should think on. Uh, in order to understand it more clearly, sir, this session has been recorded and it would be available on YouTube as well. So you can go through it, because same question, it's difficult to answer it multiple times because things keep on changing. Okay, so any other question, guys? I think this is so we don't have any more questions coming on the way.
So thank you very much. Thank you very much, viewers. From my side, let me wish you stay home, stay safe. Okay. And this is a great opportunity. Learn newer things. Stay digitally connected. Stay digitally connected with us. Every day we are organizing too many webinars and so many things. This is from my side. Now I hand over it to Dharmesh Bhai and Madam.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you very much, one and all who were present here in this pleasant evening. In case if you have any doubts or questions, I have already shared the number. I would like to repeat it once again: 1800 123 1104. That is our toll-free number, which you can reach out to have any doubts resolved. Thank you very much.
Thank you.